Welcome to our fun-filled journey into healthy breakfast recipes for kids. Today, we'll explore nutritious options that are easy to prepare and delicious. First up, we have colorful fruit smoothies packed with vitamins. Blend together bananas, strawberries, and yogurt for a tasty treat. Next, let's make fluffy whole grain pancakes that kids will love. Mix oats, eggs, and a splash of milk for a nutritious breakfast option. How about some yogurt parfaits layered with fresh fruits and granola? This fun and colorful dish is sure to brighten up any morning. Let's not forget about egg muffins, perfect for busy mornings. Whisk eggs with veggies and cheese, then bake them in muffin tins. For a quick option, try whole grain toast topped with nut butter. Add banana slices or honey for an extra touch of sweetness. Now let's whip up some oatmeal with fun toppings to enjoy. Try adding berries, nuts, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for flavor. Lastly, we have breakfast burritos filled with eggs and veggies. Wrap them up in a tortilla for a fun and portable meal. These recipes are not only healthy, but also incredibly tasty. Get creative and involve your kids in the cooking process for fun.